All right. Hello guys, how you going? How you doing today? Today's the Monday, the 12th of July here in Brisbane, about 9:30 in the morning, and we're here on the corner of Doris Street and Grays Road. Okay, as we're doing this house here for Jeff from Dev Built, and the house is ready for us to stump. We've been away for a week. They've got all the excavation done. We've had a bit of rain, and of course, the footings have got water in. So we've got the boys coming with some pumps to pump out the footings and clean them all out so we can start getting ready for stumps. So what we'll do is walk around and go have a look at the place. Okay, all this wonderful signage. The house behind it, house up there. So we make our way around to access. There's Aaron, the excavator operator, made a nice ramp to get in and out. And my brother's boys threw all the stumps down. So we now have to pick them all up and drag them down to where we've got to put them in. All right, let's go down this hill. It's a lot better than what it was last time I walked down it. All right, here we are, look at that. All dug out. Still some touch-ups to do, but we thought we'd get half of it done and then dig out the rest. Managed to get Aaron in there to dig it all out, which makes it easier. Jeff's got the concreter coming in to do this footing next week, so I've got to get these 14 posts in this footing this week, so he can do that and keep me busy. I've still got other work happening. Hopefully no more rain. Not this week anyway. We go into winter and we've got all that. Hold on a second. Let me turn this thing off. Don't want any problems with copyright there. As we get all these holes dug, there's still one or two holes that still need digging, which we'll sort out as time goes on. And as I said, I've got to get that footing done. All the posts in the footing. Get them out of the way so Jeff the builder can get the concreter in next week to start that retainer wall. All right, and then we got all these stumps down there. There's quite a few, and then we got the steel beams to do yet. And I've still got to finish off Paddington. That's got a bit of steel to go in yet, and one post to move over there. But we're here. We've got to bust a couple of holes over. That one's got to bust over a little because the hole comes in on an angle. And the base of the stump will hit the side. So jackhammer time, and the pumps are coming so we can pump out the water out of these holes here. Then we can check all those, make sure they're right, and then make sure the height is right. So today we'll get it all drained and start cleaning up. I'll do some heights. Tomorrow morning I'll be over on the other job. They come here after that. So we can keep going. We've got an engineer here on Wednesday morning to double check what we've done before we start pouring, and hopefully Thursday, maybe Friday pour, I'm hoping. Then I can move these styes. So I've got to leave it 24 hours before I move these styes, so I'll probably move the styes Saturday morning, see how we go. Or Monday morning. Either way. Alright, thought I'd show you that lot. That keeps that going. He's done a good job with the excavation. He's got a retainer wall going up there on the fence. We've got a carport coming over there yet. We've got to put steel posts and beams in to hold that up. Yeah, bit of work to go as we just get started now. Alrighty. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope what I do is of help to some people as we try and show you what's going on. Remember, all these, all those steel posts get painted with 2-pack epoxy at the bottom to stop corrosion. Now the engineer did put on this, he allowed 4mm posts for those long ones over there. I told him a week and a half ago when I saw him that I wasn't happy with that. So we've changed those long ones all the way along the back there. I think it's some 10 posts. They're all 5mm now. So we changed those to 5 because 4, yeah, it's too high for 4mm. 4 mil isn't strong enough for that. Not that I feel what I feel. I haven't done 4 mil for that height in 30 years. Won't do it. Alrighty. We will talk again soon. Thanks, guys. Look after yourselves. We'll talk. See you on the next one. Thanks. See ya.